Get ready for a squishy, splashy, and wildly fun adventure with your favorite farm and zoo animals. In this exciting journey, toddlers will meet playful pigs rolling in mud, silly elephants spraying water, and cheeky monkeys jumping around. Every moment is filled with laughter, learning, and hands-on exploration as little ones discover how animals play.
Sheep have amazing memories. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans and remember them for years. Sheep are very social animals and like to stay in groups. They often follow the leader. That's where the phrase "follow like sheep" comes from. Sheep say "baa" to communicate with each other. Lambs and their mothers can recognize each other by their unique sounds. Sheep grow thick wool that keeps them warm. Their wool is used to make clothes, blankets, and socks.
Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. They have excellent long-term memory, better than many other domesticated animals. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though males are typically larger. Reindeer have been domesticated in northern Eurasia for thousands of years by indigenous peoples, especially the Sami. Reindeer dig through snow to eat lichen, a moss-like plant often called reindeer moss. Reindeer migrate farther than any other land mammal, up to 3,000 miles, 5,000 kilometers, Black bears are the most widespread bear species on the continent. Black bears rarely attack humans unless provoked or protecting cubs. Generally not endangered, but habitat loss and human-bear conflicts pose threats. Black bears usually live alone, except mothers with cubs. They hibernate in dens during the winter, slowing their metabolism to survive without food. Black bears are the most widespread bear species on the continent. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores, eating 300 kilograms, 330 Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called the tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff, up to 250 pounds. Dogs form strong bonds with their humans. Hippopotamus means river horse. It comes from the Greek words hippos, horse, and potamos, river. Hippos are the third largest land mammals, after elephants and white rhinos. They can weigh 1,500 to 4,000 kilograms, 3,300 to 8,800 pounds. That's heavier than a car. Hippos give birth in water, and calves weigh around 45 kilograms, 100 pounds, at birth. Calves ride on their mother's back in water and stay close for several months. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult males. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. Snow leopards live in the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia, including the Himalayas, Altai Mountains, and the Tibetan Plateau. Snow leopards are usually solitary except during mating season or when females are raising cubs. Snow leopards weigh between 60-120 pounds, 27-55 kilograms, and are about 2-5 feet, 60-150 centimeters, in body length. Snow leopards are listed as vulnerable by the IUCN due to
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild. Tigers love water and are excellent swimmers, unlike most cats. They often cool off in rivers or lakes. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet. Polar bears are the largest carnivores, meat eaters, on land. Adult males can weigh over 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Polar bear fur looks white, but it's actually transparent. Their skin underneath is black, which helps absorb heat from the sun. Polar bear babies, called cubs, are born in snow dens during winter and are about the size of a guinea pig when born. Polar bears live only in the Arctic, not Antarctica. You'll find them in places like Canada, Alaska, Greenland, and Russia. Polar bears are the largest carnivores, meat eaters, on land. Adult males can weigh over 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Polar bear fur looks white, but it's actually transparent.
Snakes are reptiles. They belong to the order Squamata and are closely related to lizards. Snakes can consume prey much larger than their heads because their jaws are connected by very stretchy ligaments. Snakes live in forests, deserts, oceans, like sea snakes, and even urban areas. They eat rodents, birds, eggs, frogs, fish, and even other snakes. From mooing cows to roaring lions, this adventure brings the animal kingdom to life with vibrant sounds, movements, and messy surprises. Watch as curious toddlers giggle at muddy piggies, mimic hopping kangaroos, and even help feed the animals in interactive play. With engaging activities and adorable animations, this experience is perfect for little hands and growing minds.